Okay, today is July 10th, 2012. My name is Bob Rowland. I'm the TeamWorks Help Desk support for Latin America and the Caribbean. Today I want to show you how to insert a table with images into an HTML block. Previously, you could do this all within an HTML block, but there is the Insert Image button that was previously there is no longer available. And so what I'm going to show you is a workaround. Okay, today I'm working with Google Chrome. So if you're following along, you may want to use the same browser. I've already created a test space called ABC2 to move this along, and I have an HTML content block in the top center column. And first I want to show you underneath the configuration icon here why I like to work in an article. One of the main problems is you really don't have a lot of real estate here to work in. It's a very limited window. Additionally, you don't have that insert image button on this toolbar. So I'm going to do it first in the article, and then I'm going to copy what I did in the article and then bring it into this HTML block. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to close out of here, and I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to add an article. You're going to see right away that you're going to have more room to work in, so it's much more comfortable for you to be able to see the screen. Okay, so we have that. Basically, we have that same toolbar with the addition of this additional button that allows you to browse for a file. And I'm going to work in here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a table that's 3 columns by 3 rows, 3 by 3, and I'm going to save that, insert it. I'm going to take the top column and I'm going to merge those cells, and I'm going to give it a title called My Example. Okay, and I have basically I have 3 countries here with 3 flags that I want to present. One from Argentina. I have a flag from Belize, and I have a flag from Mozambique. Okay, and I'm going to make these bold using the toolbar, and I'm going to center them. And in the row below, I'm going to add the flags. So to add the flags, I'm going to use this Insert Image button. Select the Insert Image, choose the file. There's Argentina. Click Open. Upload the file. These are small files, so they should upload fairly quickly. And click Submit. And I'm going to do the same for Belize. Insert Image, choose File. There's Belize. Open. Upload. And Submit. And the last one here is Mozambique. Insert Image, choose File, grab the file, and upload it, and then click Submit. Okay, basically there I have my table with my labels for the countries and the flags below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that code. I'm going to select the HTML button, and I'm going to copy. I'm going to select all, and then I'm going to copy that code. Copy. I'm going to cancel out of here because I no longer need to see that window. And then I'm going to go back to my space. I'll open that up in a separate tab so I can toggle back and forth between this article and the space itself. Now I'm going to go back into the HTML content block, and I'm going to configure it. I select the configuration button here, and in the HTML editor I'm going to select the HTML button, make that a little bit bigger. I'm going to paste that code that I copied in here, and I'm going to update the page, and I'm going to save it. Okay. What you'll see here is you'll see the content. The only problem I see here is that the flags are not centered, so we're going to go back and center those. But basically, I've uploaded these images and created the table under the Add Article, and then I've copied that HTML code and I've pasted it into this HTML block, and then we have the presentation that we were looking for in the block. But if I want to center those that row of flags, I go back into the configuration and I select that row, which is right here. Just click in there anywhere, and I select table row properties, and if I set the alignment to center and I select update, it should center the flags for me. Okay. And I click save. And the page is refreshing. And there we have the labels for the country: Argentina, Belize, Mozambique, with the 3 flags centered. Okay, that's the end of this brief how-to video for inserting a table with images, using first the add article and then actually creating the content there and then copying it over into the HTML block and pasting it in, and then saving it into the HTML content block. Okay, thank you.